Hi everyone, I got my Felicity Jane in today and I had to film immediately because you know how much I love my Felicity Jane. I love my Felicity Jane. So, and it's like a twofer, sorry I'm sick, it's like a twofer. Bus loves the box. Bus loves tearing up boxes, and so he gets the box and I get the goodies inside. So it's a win-win in this family. So, oh my gosh, I am so looking forward to opening this. Oh, so excited about it. So, okay, I think I got it all. I think I did. So let me move this stuff out of the way. Oh, so exciting. So let's move this aside and let's see what we get. Oh, I love the, this month's kit is Denise, and this is the Puffy alphabet. It's like a distressed kind of tealy alphabet set. I love when they put the numbers too, and I love the multiple numbers. It's so useful. It's so like handy to have that, especially when you do Project Life and you say like week 22 and all that stuff. So you can use both the alphabet and the number, and it's perfect. Look at these charms. Let me put it up closer. Look at how beautiful these charms are. So you can stick them on a bracelet even if you wanted, or just, that would be pretty as a bracelet. That would be super neat. Okay, and then here's the stamp set you get, which I love their stamps. I love everything about this company. I really do. They're just phenomenal. Sorry, I'm a little shaky. I have a lot of medication in me. Oh, it's so pretty. And from what I understand, Denise is her sister. So, that's cute. Oh my gosh, these are like my favorite. The puffy stickers. These are so neat. I am waiting for a sale. That way I can buy everything. So, because I want duplicates of everything, but I'm also, very frugal and can't justify paying full price for things. So I just wait. So I'm waiting patiently and for there to be a sale. That's a good sale, and I can buy all the past stuff because I use it all. I use it, and I actually want to use it on my Project Life. So I want to bring some into my regular craft room. These are all chipboard. Everyone was talking about these, and you don't realize how thick they are. They are like quality, total quality pieces. I mean, can you hear them? That's right there. That's heavy duty chipboard. Look how neat, and look how many you get too. That's Kit Kat. That is awesome. So that's the chipboard speech bubbles. That's pretty cool. Okay, and then you get 3x4 cards. So that was all the embellishments. So now we're to the 3x4 cards. And then they're double-sided. Oh, well, no, I don't think these are. I think, yeah, they're not really, I mean, they are double-sided technically, but they're not, they're just plain basically on the background. So, yeah. Friend. So peaches. I like the mustard, and the mustard yellow with Felicity Jane is really pretty, which, usually mustard yellow is like baby poop, but it doesn't look like that with their kits, which is appreciated. So, our happy place. Cute. Some waves. And then the pink. So that's the 3x4 cards. And then here's the paper, which I cut down my paper into standard dory size, and I cut it all down, and I love it. So this is the extra bonus that you get, because you can cut this off and go around the scallops and use this whole piece right here. So that's an awesome bonus. So that's really neat. But this is a pretty, and everyone who's on the design team is showing it on YouTube, and they have been doing phenomenal. They've been fussy cutting these out, and they've been doing a wonderful job with this kit. And then I love because you get on the sorry, I'm sick, you guys, so I'm gonna end up choking. My husband's weed whacking, but it's the only time I had to film. And then this is a black and white, and then the strip is always decorative on one side, which is nice. Let me try and get that to focus. There we go. And then so you have the decorative, which I always the branding strip, that's what it's called, the branding strip, and you take it off and use that too, which I do. So I love this. This is so pretty. That's Bus. And then the pink. Oh, look at that. You are my favorite person in the history of ever. It's cute. And then you get two solids. The two solids that have little strips at the end. And then you have the, so two light and two darker. I love it. I love this kit, and I think I pay, excuse me, I think like $40, maybe $45 for this kit. It's worth every penny. It really is. I love killing this kit. So yeah, I can't recommend this company enough. They're awesome. I hope you guys like it. We'll see you all next month. I'm looking forward to next month. Alright guys, take care. Bye.